Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to a Tesla modification video. In my last video, you saw me install a Hansshow swivel bracket for the Tesla Model Y that allows me to move my monitor left and right. Since then, I've actually installed version 2 of the Hansshow swivel arm, and what this does is it allows me to swing it left and right 30 degrees like before, but it also allows me to rotate it up and down by 15 degrees. So now I can find that perfect viewing angle no matter my driving position. And I can see this being useful in several ways. Like, first of all, when I'm normally driving, I would have it aimed toward me. This is my driving. But sometimes I am sitting in the car waiting for Sally either to for her class or some kind of lessons, violin or something, and I'm in the car for an hour. So what I'm doing is, like, you know, I'm watching YouTube videos. So what I tend to do in that kind of situation is I would lean the seat back, give myself a little more room here, and then so I move all the way back, and then I lean myself back a little more, like so. And at that, now I'm pretty low, and the thermal screen is tilted too much. So what I would do is, I would just set it like that, and then I would lower it down like that, and that is like the perfect viewing angle right there. So I can sit here, relax, and watch Netflix, watch YouTube, sing karaoke, whatever. And this is my little personal man cave. So the version 2 of the Hansshow swivel bracket it's available now, and it's a little more expensive than the version 1, which only goes left and right. So if you want the extra versatility, it's about $70 more. And in my opinion, I think that's actually worth it when you consider that the normal swivel bracket sells for $229, and the version 2 sells for $299. For the extra money, I think, to get twice the movement, because before it's just left and right, now it's up and down, so you can twice the movement for only a bit more money. All right, so I think that's worth it. Installation is exactly the same as the version 1, so I won't go through it again because I already showed how to install it in my last video. So if you want to know how to install it, I'll link to my last video on the version 1, so you can see how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. It shouldn't take more than an hour, and once you got it set up, boom, now you got a totally customizable screen. And really, I don't really understand why Tesla didn't do this from the factory. I'm pretty sure, I bet you, in the next update of the Model Y and Model 3, they'll probably have a swivel bracket, because they already have the swivel bracket for the Model X and Model S. They're just not turned on yet, but so I imagine this is coming. So, but if you want it now, the only way to do it is to do it yourself. This is the Hansshow swivel bracket version 2. Link for this product is below this video. Use coupon code John Chow to receive 15% off any Hansshow purchase. 15% off of $299, pretty good savings. Or version 1, $229, your choice. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share it. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.